Mae gan Conwy nifer o barciau cyhoeddus sydd wedi cael y Gwobr fflag Gwyrdd. Mae'r cynllun Gwobr fflag Gwyrdd wedi cael ei ddechrau yn 1996 i greu safonau cenedlaethol ardderchog i barciau a llefydd agored gwyrdd. Mae'r Gwobr yn adnabod ac yn cydnabod gwaith caled y staff sy'n gweithio yn y parciau, y gymuned a ffrindiau, ac yn codi'r proffil o'r llefydd gwyrdd sydd o safon uchel. Mae'n ffordd hefyd o gefnogi eraill i gyrraedd yr un safon uchel i'r amgylchedd, i greu safon ardderchog mewn llefydd gwyrdd.
I'm Peter Martin Price and I'm the Parks and Fleet Manager for Conwy County Council. My role is to oversee the maintenance and management of the parks and green open spaces. The parks themselves that we have under Green Flag are varied to say the least. Some, like this one here at Parciau, offer sports facilities, play facilities. We have 2 lakes in the park and also a great community involvement. They're meant to be open, attractive and safe places to be. And this is what we try to deliver under Green Flag to ensure that we are ultimately awarded with what is really a prestigious award. The business side of it, of any sort of Green Flag application, is obviously there is a financial commitment, and in these times of certainly austerity, it's something that we need to look at closely. Over the last 2 years that we, through our community groups, have actually put in grant applications that have delivered key changes and certainly developed infrastructure within our parks and green open spaces. So that is the way forward that we need to go. As we look at savings, certainly within local authority, there are opportunities out there to develop parks, to develop green open space, and to look for funding that is not necessarily available to the county council as a whole, but to work more closely with our community groups to ensure that these opportunities are fulfilled.
Os ydych yn chwilio am rhywbeth gwahanol i barc distaw, ella fuaswch yn hoffi tyfu llysiau eich hun yn un o'r allotment sydd ar gael gan Cyngor Sir Plwyf Conwy. Efo'r holl barciau gwyrdd yn Conwy, mae yna ei gyfle i bawb gael bywyd mwy iach a bob math o weithgareddau.
It is, to me, a little bit more than just a job. Parks has a huge place within my park thought process. It delivers so much. At the centre of every community, at the centre of every event is a park. I come to work every day with a huge amount of pride. We have a great team. I work with some amazing people and certainly some amazing communities.